Now we have learned about series combination of resistors, parallel combination of resistors. So we know all the properties related to it. We know that series combination gives same value, constant value of an electric current, whereas it is different in parallel combination. So let us look some of the disadvantages of series circuits. Think a situation that can we connect an electric bulb and an electric heater in series? No, we cannot. Why is it so? Because we have learned that in a series connection, the electric current flowing through the circuit is constant throughout the circuit. So, an electric bulb and an electric heater cannot be connected in series because both will require different values of electric current to work properly. If we connect them in series, it may happen then that one of them will not work properly. As they both require different values of electric current, we cannot connect both this in series connection. There is another disadvantage of a series connection is that when one component fails, the circuit is broken and none of these components work. Why is it so? We know that in series connection, all the components of electric circuit are connected in series and to and they are connected. This means if any of the component is broken, the current will not flow in the circuit. Wherever there is a break, current will not be able to pass, electron will not be able to move forward because there is a break. That is why if any of the components of the circuit is failed or else if it is broken, it will not allow an electric current to pass through it. So that is a disadvantage, that when one component fails, the circuit will break and other components also will not work. Why is it so? We have learned that it will not allow electric current to flow from it. Electrons will not move forward. Let me give you an example of fairy lights. You all have seen fairy lights, right? Why do we use them? We use it to decorate buildings on festivals, on marriage celebrations, etc. We use these fairy lights to decorate our homes. You may have seen that the electrician spending a lot of time in trouble locating and replacing the dead bulb. If any of the bulb in this decorating light, if it is not working, then we have to spend a lot of time to replace it and to locate it. Each has to be tested and to find which has fused or gone. So it requires a lot of time to find it, which bulb is working and which not, and to replace the fuse. About fuse we will study later on. But why it will require this much of time? Because this all the fairy lights are connected in a series. Have you seen it? Yes, these lights are connected in a series combination. That is why it will take a lot of time. So that is a disadvantage again. Now we have also learned about parallel combination, right? So in parallel combination, we have learned that electric current is different for different resistors. So let us see advantage of parallel circuit. Parallel circuit divides the current through the electric gadgets. This means we have already talked that for each component it will be different. This means parallel circuit divides the current. The total resistance in parallel circuit is decreased as per equation 12.18. We have learned that equivalent resistance 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. This means the equivalent resistance is less than the reciprocals of individual resistances. This we have already talked. How it is helpful? This is helpful particularly when each gadget has different resistance and requires different current to operate properly. So when it is different values of electric current, this means each component, all the resistors will require different current to operate themselves. That is why current is also different for each resistor. That is why it will be helpful when each component in the circuit has different values of resistance and when it will require different currents so that it can be operated properly. So these are some advantages and disadvantages of series combination and parallel combination of the circuits.